Hey y'all, back again real quick. I just wanted to go over the practice on your own problems to make sure everybody's on the same page and understanding how this works. So this says write an inequality for the graph. So the first thing is our circle is always going to end up where the number in our inequality is. So since the circle is at -3 right now, we know -3 is going to be in our inequality. We can also just always use the letter X for the other part of our inequality. And now we just have to decide which symbol is the correct one. Well, because the circle is shaded in, that means we're going to have an equal to line with this. And the arrow is facing to the right or pointing to the right, which means it includes all the values that are greater than -3. So our alligator is looking at X being greater than -3. For this one, it says Lance walked more than 2 miles. We just have to write an inequality from that statement. So I'll use W for the number of miles walked, and it says more than, so W is more than 2. That's it for that one. For this one, it says solve the inequality, then graph it on a number line. So we got to solve that inequality first. So do it just like we've been. We're going to take care of that 7 by moving it to the other side. Those cancel out. We get 2x is less than -4. And our last step is to divide. And we get x is less than -2. Now it says to graph it on a number line. So we can just quickly draw a rough number line. And the quickest and easiest way to do this is to just put your number from your inequality right in the center. And then add 1 or 2 lines off to the sides and label them. So here we're increasing in value, and here we're decreasing. We're going to put our circle right on that number. We're not going to color that circle in because our inequality does not include the equal to sign. And then it says x is less than -2, so we want our arrow to point towards all the values that are less than -2. That's how we do a quick inequality graph on a number line. And then I want to go over our challenge problem for those of you who chose to do this one. It says Jackie is 3 more than 5 times as old as Sam. Jackie is at least 43 years old. What simplified inequality shows Sam's possible age range? So here's how we're going to do this. We're going to start with the information that they've told us about Jackie's age being at least 43, because that's the only real number that we have. So we'll start there and say that Jackie's age is at least 43, which means when it says that Jackie is 3 more than 5 times as old as Sam, this could be equal to 43, right? So we'll write that. And we're going to write a little algebraic expression for that. 3 more than 5 times as old as Sam. Well, that means we add 3 to 5 times Sam's age, okay? The last part here is we have to have some sort of inequality symbol, right? Is 43 greater than this, or is 43 less than this? So it says Jackie is at least 43, which means that this 3 plus or 3 more than 5 times Sam's age is also at least 43. So if this says 43 is something to 3 plus 5s, then that means 43 is less than or equal to 3 plus 5 times Sam's age, because 43 could be, or Jackie's age could be greater than 43. If her age is at least 43, then the equivalency to her age, 3 plus 5 times Sam's age, could be greater than 43. That's how you do our practice on your own problems. I'll be back tomorrow. See ya.